Alright, so we're going to be taking apart a Sony PlayStation controller today, and anytime you push a button or move part of the controller, it basically controls different parts or aspects of a game, and we're going to open up and see how it works. Okay, so what we got here, basically how these buttons work, and I'll just use these as an example, but this is how all the buttons on here work. Some of them may be slightly different. These will sit on this little rubber membrane here, and when you push it down, it gives it a tactile feeling. When you actually push it down, it kind of has a little black part that extends out. And on this ribbon here, this will push down on this point or any one of these contact points, and it'll actually close that circuit. And then once that circuit is closed, it'll send an electric signal down the ribbon here and to the back, which then connects here to the circuit board. On the sides here, you have these little motors, and they have an off-balance weight, and that off-balance weight, when it spins, creates the vibrating feeling you get when you have these controllers. These are the analog sticks here. They have these little bars on each side of them for both X and the Y axis. That's just how it keeps track of where you're moving the analog stick. And on the back here, we have this little microprocessor here. This keeps track of all the basic in and out functions of the controller.